This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by creating the shortcut itself so you can see results immediately. Open Shortcuts, tap the plus. Choose App or Scripting as the first action because that determines capability. Once done, name it and pick an icon so you don't confuse it with others. Make sure to grant any immediate permissions iOS prompts for these enable actions like contacts, location, or camera. This first step gets the foundation right and prevents permission errors later when you link more actions. Now you'll add the middle logic that makes the shortcut useful. Start by chaining actions. Input, process, then output. That order keeps data predictable. Use if blocks, repeat loops, and get /set variable so your shortcut adapts to conditions and reuses results. Once you add an action, tap play to test that step. This iterative testing reveals mismatched types or missing permissions. Also, add comments and rename variables so you can revisit the logic without guessing what each block does. Finish by assigning a trigger and running the shortcut end-to-end so you confirm it behaves as intended. Add a home screen icon or record a Siri phrase for one-tap access, then run the full flow while watching outputs. If something breaks, pause and use play on the failing action to see the error message. Often it's a permission issue, wrong input type, or missing variable. Make that one change, retest, and once stable, save and use confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.